That's it. Stand sideways on facing that way, and you're just going to poke that little bit through. That's it, poke it further. That's it, let go. Perfect. He was quite good then. If he does drop it, just leave it. Because he will most likely beat you to it. That's it. You can if you want. If you hold it there and then bring it up. If he just completely ignores you, he's probably not going to have a defense. But it's not a bad thing when we do get him up. It's how we do help it.
Like here?
Yeah, you can do it higher if you want.
I'm scared. I'm scared, but I don't want him to like...
Nancy, what's this kid? Let go.
Ooh!
Ah, that's right. Get
Sorry.
another go. It's a clever way of getting another go.
I didn't do it on purpose, trust me.
No, don't run away. Manzi? Mans? No bit. You're so lazy.
That's okay, I'm still happy.
Mum, do you want to go?
No, you feed him.
Are you sure?
Sure thing, yeah, you feed him,
Sure?
yeah.
You swear?
Yeah, you feed
Do
him.
the last one if you want.
A sure thing, you
It's
want to feed him.
fun.
You sure?
Yeah. You can do the last one. I'll let you.
Okay.
That's it? Yep. So again, you put it wherever you like.
Oh, wow.
That's it. Poke it a little bit further.
So you can get it.
Okay? Perfect.
He was like, really? Up that high?
That's a lot of effort, wasn't it? Nancy, you can hear it not difficult. I think.
Do you want to do one?
Yeah, do you want to take this then?
Yeah?
Oh, it's amazing. So cool.
Got that, hold that then, son. I'll just...
Just put your stuff down. I'd take your jumper off as well, probably, because it's like hanging.
That's it. So you're going to hold it like...
You got more?
Tuck your thumb under. You're going to stand sideways on like we just were, and as soon as he's got a grip on that end, I'm just going to push it down a little bit lower just so it's nice and poked out straight. As soon as you've got a grip on that bit there, you can pass it all the way through to there. He'll take it from you. That's it. And keep your eyes on him. That's it. Let go. It's weird seeing a
Ah.
See, it was worth it, wasn't it? Nice. Don't be happy now. Just give me chicken.
Thank you for coming over.
You're a good man.
Yeah, thank you.
So if you want to come and stand in front of me just here.
I'm definitely
That's
recording
it.
this time.
So
Nancy,
exactly the
don't
same
worry.
again
Is that
before.
enough?
Yep, that's enough. So sideways on. That's it.
Got it?
That's it.
Oh, he licked my
There we
finger.
go. He's a good man.
Sorry, mate. I only gave you a little wavy bit.
Happy.
Thank you so much.
That's alright, honestly. It's not a problem at all. Take your time though, mans.
He's like, I'm really happy.
He does not mind it too much chicken. Is it small? He's a
Good
good boy.
boy. He's like, at least she's not making me go high first, that's fine. And do you want to do the last one?
No, no, you don't.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I feel so bad. Nice one. Nice
Good
one.
boy. He's a little boy. One more.
That's it.
You don't mess
You've been
around
so
with it,
clever.
does he?
Pardon?
He doesn't mess around with it, does he? Go on.
He actually eats quite slowly in comparison to some of the others. Don't you? That's it, you can make it a bit further. There we go.
Got it? Good boy.
Good man.
Oh, thank you so
That's
much.
okay.
Thanks so
That's
much.
okay. Don't be silly.
Literally. And I was like, if one picture had gone or something, I'd be okay. But the fact that it was like
The whole thing. Exactly. Exactly. Oh, it's absolutely fine. Manzi definitely doesn't mind.
Nice. Nice numbers.
Do you? You don't mind at all.
Thank you.
Now I will return to my lion spot. And I will not move for the next few hours.
Oh.
You good boy. Hey? This is real.
Oh, he's really showing off.
Oh, look how handsome you are.
Oh, you missed all the chicken now.
Come and say hi, Tiny Chucks.
Oh.
You missed it all. probably going to sit there. That's cheating, just eating it while it's there. Oh. Didn't even bring it all down, you just stripped the skin off it. That's nice.
Just licking it. I'm watching.
Dad, you've then got crouches. We've then got Nuru, which is Eerie, Joy and Shaka by the looks of it. So we've had 6 little babies here. So Sabi in front of us here, she's actually one of the youngest, believe it or not. She's 2.5, coming up to 3, I think, in the end of July. So a little bit longer. Hopefully she'll come up.
She's coming. She's trying. She knows. Look, 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 look.
Yeah.
Good boy. Throw one down. No? Just stick one down next to that. There we go. Oh, do better. There you go. Okay. Boy. Right here. No? Okay. So as wussy pants go, he's number 2 on the list, which is why if you suddenly, quite often with a more confident cat, if you stick a little red ball in front of their face, they go, oh, what's that? And then go towards it. Because he is a little bit, you could see that he didn't want to do that, and he was actually sort of doing it. Good boy. You can go and look out the windows. What's happening out there? Boy. So then, the food is obviously more important to him than not being near the target, so we can use that to our advantage.
Okay.
Oh, lovely. Little. At your girlfriend's bed. I love Mia. How would you say? He's actually also really wants to be friends with these guys, but they're not very nice. Oi, oi, oi. Oh. No. Murphy, come on, back off. I don't want you getting your nose bitten again. You can see he's got little pink bits on his nose where Brahmi's bitten him before.
Right.
And he will not learn. Good boy. You can go out if you're going to be like that, babe. You're going home. Good decision. Yeah?